What's up guys, Madjennsy here. Today I'm bringing you a new nail tutorial. This is inspired on New Year's Eve 2022. It's very simple to do. Actually, you would just draw 2022 numbers and then you will fill it in with some hard decals. Pretty much it. So for those who aren't familiar with my channel, I upload here nail tutorials and I'm planning on uploading crafting tutorials for the next year. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, thumbs up if you like the video. So let's get on to it. So like I was telling you, it's very chunky kind of like design. If you don't want it to be like that thick or kind of chunky, then you want to go forward with some plain glitter instead. So I'm gonna get started with some base coat as usual. I cleaned up all my nails. I trimmed them, I also buffed them a little bit. And let's go. After that I applied 2 coats of black nail polish. And make sure to let it completely dry before you move forward. The way you know that it's ready is when you touch a little bit, it's not tacky anymore. It's like your fingerprints or something. Let's go, shiny and beautiful. And I'm gonna use a golden nail polish and some nail brush. Basically, you would just want to draw the numbers. 2022. The gold over the black is such a classic combo for New Year's Eve. It's like the most classic nail art combo that you can do. So as you can see, I'm using like an old brush that I use only with nail polishes because usually you want to go with the brushes for acrylic paints only. Actually, if you get the acrylic paint, it will be really cool. So here I'm filling in, like joining the hearts, the heart decals that I placed with the nail polish. You would just stick them hearts with top coat, so it's really simple thing to do, but you want to use any decals that you have at home. It could be just plain glitter, but I'm just trying to connect them so that the numbers are more noticeable. Like I said, it's pretty chunky look, a bit edgy I would say. And on my thumb I'm just adding a big jewel to finish it up. I'm adding a few golden stripes on the side since there's some empty space that we could do something there. As you can see, it's just a few stripes. Let's go. And there you have it on the side. We would like a few stripes. I am making sure that the jewel is in place. You want to go ahead and top coat it now. So you will seal all of your design and you're ready to go. That's right. Alright guys, Happy New Year's Eve! I love you so much. Thank you for all your support throughout the year, and I'm gonna come back strong with more nail designs, more ideas for you, and hopefully it's gonna be great. Take care and stay safe and sound. Bye bye.